auto sector is one of the space that we have been talking about in the November series. On the whole has been an outperformer. Nifty auto is, I think, somewhere up about 10% or so in the last one. 10.04% in the last 1 month. But one particular space within this entire segment that is shining is the two-wheeler stocks, isn't it?
What can I say? And I'll start by saying how attractive this space is that the Italians are coming back, and you can just imagine, they're coming back on two-wheelers. Just imagine Gregory Peck and Audrey Hepburn in the Roman holiday way. Vespa Elettrica is due to launch its EV two-wheeler in June 2024. People close to my age will remember a scooter by the name of Lambretta. And Lambretta is making a comeback to India in collaboration with the Bird Group. This year, in its 350 and 200cc avatars, low carbon emission, and they will be launching their electric scooter in 2024. Lambretta was something that was there in India way back in the 80s and 90s, till the 90s. So, if that is not enough, an unsuspecting group that is making its foray into this is the Hinduja group. They, Gulf Oil Lubricants, which is their company, acquired the EV charge maker Tyrex Transmissions for as much as 103 crores few months ago. They already have Switch Mobility. As far as the two-wheeler stocks are concerned, the last month's earnings, I'll start with Bajaj Auto, was up 14.23% over the last month.
Right.
Slightly down today and it's at rupees 6,058. 0.2% down today, but today's trading. Eicher Motors over the last month has earned 15.61%. TVS Motors over the last month has earned as much as 16.70%.
Right.
Hero Motocorp 21.04% over the last one month. That's how attractive this space is looking. Brijesh, you can throw some more light on this space, and which one do you think is the most attractive one of the lot, and what should we look forward to?
Yeah, definitely, sir. As you spoke, definitely within the Nifty auto space, Hero Moto is something which is definitely a very strong bet, mainly because of the monthly time frame. If you see the monthly, that's kind of a cup and handle kind of a structure, which is already formed, and we have seen a good amount of breakout. So in the near term, 4,500 is what I think can be the upside target for the Hero Motocorp. Declines or corrections in this counter should be definitely be the buy setup. Besides this, Bajaj Auto is also one pick which I think it's already moved up. There is no technical structure, but definitely the momentum and the sector itself is moving. So definitely that spot will be there. 6,500 plus should be the view for the Bajaj Auto. And if you look up, if you talk any of the trade setup in the auto space, then I think now recently Tata Motors and M&M. Though it is not a two-wheeler space, but then there is a trade setup with the M&M and Tata Motors, which talks of another close to another 10% move from the current level. So I think when in the next 1 week or so, when the Nifty rallies, or maybe the Nifty makes a new all-time high level, Tata Motors and M&M will be the two stocks on the auto space which should contribute to this rally.
All right, and I mean, looking at the entire sector, you obviously stated the re-entries of big Italian players and the new entries, the new forays by Hinduja Group. But the entire segment, the two-wheeler segment also, Amit, is moving towards premiumization. We have seen companies like, Bajaj Auto also foray into that. By the way, they are also planning to launch their world's first CNG powered bike, and the entire segment not just moving towards premiumization on the back of the burgeoning middle class. The pockets of them are also growing, but we are seeing a transformation on the whole, where we are seeing the rural demand is picking up at the lower strata, as well as the premium segment is obviously doing well.
Quite a few sectors are adding up to why this sector is looking so attractive. The most obvious one is congestion in the urban space. So that is why within the urban space, people are looking towards two-wheelers, and if these are the high net worth individuals, they are looking at something that looks premium also. So therefore, the premiumization, the move towards premiumization, the low cost vehicles will still be there, but there will be more and more of these that will be coming into the space.
Right.